Changing your primary email on Meritrust Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Meritrust Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new email address is set as your primary contact. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email address will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Meritrust Credit Union's customer service for assistance.